Wet-dry vacs are versatile tools that can be used to clean up a variety of messes. They can be used to suck up water, dirt, and debris from hard surfaces and carpets. Wet-dry vacs are powerful enough to clean up after floods and other water-related disasters. They come with a variety of attachments for different cleaning tasks. Wet-dry vacs can save you time and money by eliminating the need to rent a professional carpet cleaner. They are easy to store and transport, making them ideal for small spaces. Wet-dry vacs are designed to be durable and can withstand heavy use. They can help to reduce the amount of dust and allergens in your home. Wet-dry vacs can be used to clean up after messy DIY projects. They are an essential tool for anyone who wants to keep their home clean and tidy.